All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the charging station for the DragonTouch Vision 3 Pro 4K camera. Right now, there's no battery in it. I've got both batteries here. What you're going to do is you're going to take your USB that they gave you, and you're going to plug it into this thing here. You got to turn it this way to get it in there. And it just smooshes in like that. And once it's in there, you're going to see these blue lights lit. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your batteries, and you're going to put them so that the contacts are in here, right next to that. Push it down. And you can see one looks like it's almost charged. This one needs charging because it's red. And once that's charged, then we'll come and we'll put the battery inside the camera and show you how that works. All right, so anyway, as you can see, we got two blue lights there, so we can go ahead and put a battery in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to come to the top here, push it, pops open. You can see the leads in there. Let me just pull one battery out. If you look down in there, you'll see the way you got to put it in is when you have the camera facing this way, this part up, is you're going to slide it in with the contacts down and the model number up. Then you're just going to push it in. That's the tab that you can pull it out with. You push it in like that. And then bam, you just take these bad boys here, smush them in there, squeeze it, and Bob's your uncle. You want to try and see if it works? Go ahead and click this on the other side. You got to hold it for a couple seconds, and bam, there you go. And you're ready to rock. And charging full. I guess we're full. All right, that's how you charge it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff with your DragonTouch version 3 Pro. Peace out.